Okay, we got Chicago 1/8 inch riveter here, and it's doing these little rivets right here. Here's one that's done. That's you got it? That one is one that's squished that came out of the machine here. When I run the machine here, you'll see that there'll be one right here. Hit the foot pedal once. It didn't stay in that time. There, it stayed in there. So there's a little rivet right there. It's like the one in my hand. So it's doing what it's supposed to do right there. It's 1/8 inch riveter, Chicago. There's a nameplate on the side right here. It's 1/4 horsepower, 110 volt. It's a running machine, good old machine. Leveling pads.